everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time. I'm in a new house. We purchased a house in 2020. We had an okay year. I mean, we moved. Great. But I decided to kind of revamp my channel, and I'm going to do a little experimenting over the next few videos about exactly what content I want to do. Again, 2020 was a weird year for everybody, and 2021 is looking like it's probably going to be just as weird, if not weirder. So I kind of wanted to experiment and see what I like to do on my channel, and if that means changing up my content, then great. So today I thought I would start with the February 2021 Boxycharm review. Now I started buying like Boxycharm in December of 2020. Just because it was nice I wanted to see what kind of things that they would send out and what kind of products they were sending out, because they seem to have gotten better over the years when I've been watching videos of people reviewing it. This one specifically, when I started ordering it, I do live in Canada, so it is a little bit pricing wise different for me here, and shipping times are like uber long. So it takes about 3 weeks from the time I order, or the time my Boxycharm gets shipped out, to when I get it, which is why this review is like uber late. And so this is March 1st today. So I did actually receive this on Thursday, I think, of last week. It was madness. And it was shipped out like first couple days in February. Like, it was insane how long it takes to get to me. So this is a Boxycharm review for February 2021 from a Canadian girl's perspective, which is going to be different from an American girl's perspective, I guess. So Boxycharm is $25 American, and if you live in Canada, it's an extra $5 shipping fee, so it's $30 American. At the exchange rate right now, it ends up being about $40 Canadian dollars. And as I said, shipping is uber long. Like, it's ridiculous how long shipping is to get it. But when I filled out the survey, because when you sign up for the subscription, you fill out a little survey, I asked for mostly makeup products, because for me, skincare, I'm very particular about my skincare, which translates to mostly K-beauty stuff. I find K-beauty skincare works the best for me. So I asked for mostly makeup, no hair care at all, because again, hair care, I don't get the use out of it, because again, my hair, well, it's pretty not in the best shape right now because I need a haircut, and we're locked down for another 2 weeks, so I gotta wait. But it is blue, like it's dyed blue, and it's a very specific cut and style that I have products I like to use, and I'm not really interested in changing those products. So without further ado, let's get into this. So there's the box itself. As you can see, the theme of this month is XOXO, I think. So the choice product they gave everybody this month was between 2 palettes and something else, and I don't remember what the other thing was. However, I chose the more colorful one. This is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. The other one was a Wander Beauty one. It was like a face and eye palette, so it was a good travel palette, but I've got so many of those that I'm like, I don't really want another neutral face palette, so I picked the uber colorful one. So the packaging on the palette itself looks like the box. The colors in here are uber bright. Oh, I don't want to blind anybody. They're beautiful colors. The pans are ginormous. And it's kind of one of those palettes that, you know, it's not day to day, but whenever you want to wear something like really, really, you know, bright and colorful, those are like one swipe swatches with a little bit of swirling in the pan itself. And I mean, they come out, the colors are beautiful. They're a really nice consistency. They're really soft, which worries me a tiny bit because I don't have a light hand when it comes to my eyeshadows. But yeah, so that is the first item in the box. The second item I got, I wasn't super excited about. It is I kind of wanted there was a Saturday Skin sleeping mask, I think was the other option, and I kind of wanted that because my skin is very dry right now, to the point where it's flaking. But I got the Tootless Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I mean, if I don't use it, Tyler will use it. It's not something I'm uber excited about. I've heard good things about Tula, but I don't think this is meant for dry skin. Next thing, again, I'm not uber excited about it, but it was okay. The last couple boxes I've gotten, like December and January, were phenomenal. This one's a little so, but this is the Trestique Eye Duo Mascara and Eye Pencil, and this is the mascara that has the eyelash curler at the end, which is weird. Like, I don't, why? Like, I don't, oh my gosh, I don't know. Flip down to, oh, okay. Well, there, it's got the weird little eyelash curler at the end, but it's so short, you'd have to do like 2 or 3 times across your eyes. And then the rest of it's a mascara. So it's got like the hourglass one. So I'm hoping it's volumizing because that's what I like, is length and volume. But yeah, and then it comes with an eyeliner too. And I think this is just a regular, yeah, it's just like a regular cream eyeliner. Just black, which is great because, I mean, can never have too many black eyeliners, let's be real. But yeah, that's that. The next product I got, I think everyone got, is the Glamure eye brush set. Comes in this cute little pink package, and you get you get 4 brushes there. I just opened one, but the handles are what makes this super cute. Like, they're full of hearts. It gets really, really cute, and it moves around because there's like water in it. It's super cute. I mean, eye brushes are great. They're pretty soft. I like that they've got the pink ends to them too. Like, you can see, like, you get your blending brushes and like an eyeliner brush and then like a little detail brush. I mean, it's great. I'm not complaining about getting more eye brushes because you can never have too many before you have to wash them. And I got one more thing in here, and this is the Evio Beauty Perfect Primer matte finish. Again, not meant for my skin. It's made for a oily skin gal, and my skin right now is uber dry. So it's not something that's made for me. I'll try it out, but again, I'm not super excited about it. It's not my favorite. So that's it. There's nothing else in the box. This month I'm a little disappointed. I was a lot more excited about December and January, and then next month I made my choice already for next month, and I chose the Glow Recipe Banana Cream because I do want to try it. I've heard mixed reviews on it, and Glow Recipe is a K-beauty brand that's based out of LA, but it's run by someone who is an expert in K-beauty, and I do want to try it, and I want to see how it works and how it works for my skin. And yeah, so that's my choice for next month. I'm hoping next month's better than this month, and the last 2 months have been phenomenal, so it's kind of disappointing that this month, which is also my birthday month, was a little bit but there's nothing, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I feel like a couple of the products just aren't meant for me, aren't meant for my skin type. But yeah, so for 40 bucks you get 5 full-size products. You get to choose one. And shipping takes a while, so be prepared when it gets shipped out to be waiting about 3 weeks. But yeah, for the next few videos, expect some different things. Like, I've got a haul planned, and like I want to do a couple weird Instagram account reviews and kind of silliness, and then see what happens. So while I'm in lockdown, so it's kind of giving me a little bit more time and more time at home to be able to do this. So yeah, so expect the next few videos. I won't have a schedule. There's no set days. These things are going to go up. I'm trying to stick to a schedule, but we all know how lockdown goes. Some days you just wake up and you don't want to do anything because your mental health is gone completely out the window. But yeah, so if you like this video and want to see some weird randomness over the next few weeks, give me a thumbs up down below, and hit that subscribe button because you never know what's going to come out of my channel. And yeah, so with that, I will see you next time. Bye!